Hello everybody, it's me, Liz Marie, and today we are going to, I'm going to be sharing palettes that I think are perfect for the fall season that I own in my own personal collection. That was a hard one to get out. I don't understand why, but okay, let's just get into the palettes. First one I'm going to talk about is the At Forest Sight palette from ColourPop in collaboration with Raw Beauty Christy. Isn't that a perfect color story? You know? I mean, it has beautiful greens, the warm tones. I don't know, even the purple. I mean, even the theming just makes me think of fall. I mean, it's mushrooms and forests, but nature. I feel like fall makes me think of nature a lot. But yeah, I think this is a great color story. Probably gonna be all over the place, as per usual. Another palette that I think could be good for fall, and I played with it the other day, is Lowe's Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underworld. I love the artwork for the cover, and I love mythology, so mythological stories, one of my favorite things to read. This is the color story. Again, with the greens, there's a warm tan here. The shimmers are pretty everyday shimmers. They work great. The whole palette works great. It was my first time playing with it the other day, but yeah, this palette, I look at it and I feel like it's fall, you know? Thanksgiving also makes me think of like these kind of pink berry red tones. Kind of like to wear those for Thanksgiving too, so I'd include that. Yeah, really like the artwork for this one. I wonder if Lowe's Cosmetics has come out with anything new besides the Meet Me at Midnight palette. Okay, I have two from Melt, one of my favorite brands, though I actually have not bought any new releases from them for a long time. But anyways, I'm including this palette 27. Warm Tone Heaven. Warm tones. I like to bring these out during Halloween and spooky season, fall, autumn. Yeah. I haven't actually played with this palette in a really long time, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and do that this week. Good opportunity just to go through your makeup collection and check out any palettes you haven't touched in a while. The second one I think is kind of obvious. I have the old packaging, but it's the Gemini palette. Yes. I love this palette. You can see, I'm hoping you can see the shade. The shimmers tend to like puff out, which I find is a weird issue that they've had. This looks like the only palette I think that had that issue. Like my 27 palette didn't seem to do that. But yeah. Warm tones and greens again. All the colors you see in nature at this point, if you live in the north anyways, because I'm now in Florida. I miss falls in New York. It's so beautiful. Or just fall anywhere. Just give me changing colored leaves, please. Just give me that. Another one that I think is a great option for fall, I did a video with it last week, and it is my Glaminatrix Nocturnal palette. I don't know, this is like a unique color story for fall. It's grungy. I feel like grungy tones are perfect for like winter and fall and just all year round whenever you want to pull them out, but especially for like this time of year. I love the tones. So like you have this mustardy green yellows, this green. I feel like the blues are a nice touch with the beautiful duochrome multichromes. I think it's a great, unique color story for this time of year, and I can't wait to play with it again. I'm gonna just throw this one in. I decided it's one I made of my own. It is my version of the Natasha Denona gold palette because it's discontinued. I can't buy it anymore, so I built my own palette, and it has Sydney Grace and Terra Moon shadows in it. So yeah, it's just a mix. Most of the mattes, no, all of the mattes are Sydney Grace, but great pigment on those. But yeah, this is another one that is great for fall, I think, and even to pull into the holiday season, because these shimmers are bright. They're beautiful, they're great, and I love them. I need to buy more Terra Moon shadows because I love them so much. But yeah, it was super fun just to create my own palette, which is what singles are good for. I should probably buy some more. The last three I have are from Unearthly. And the first one I'm going to share is the Fairy Frolic. And it's just like, come on, this is completely fall here. A forest nymph. That's all I gotta say. Fairy Frolic is a very apt name for this palette, and I love it. The other Unearthly one is Leather and Lace. Still haven't played with this one again since I made a video with it, but I do love the color story, so I do plan on playing with it again. Try to keep all my palettes in rotation because I don't want them just sitting there not being used, so I need to start keeping up with that again. But yeah, typical tones for fall as usual, and then these plummy plums I think are a nice addition also for like Halloween. I feel like orange, greens, and purples, Halloween, just like my nails. So these two rows would go, actually you could just mix anything together out of this palette and it'll look beautiful. So that's that. And then I have the Poison Apple palette. I wanted to do like a Halloween edition of palettes, but you know, this is literally the only one that I feel like that would fit the bill. Maybe the Fairy Frolic one too. And I did order 2 of the new Unearthly Halloween palettes, so I can't wait for those to come in. But yep, this again, perfect for fall. This is what I have on my eyes. Actually, the first time I played with it, I bought this like a month ago, and I just now got around to playing with it. Wow, glare on this. But yeah, I bought this a month ago, finally played with it. I love the color story. It's great for Halloween, for fall season. All these palettes are great any time of year at, honestly. You can wear whatever you want. But I got inspired to do this video because I was seeing so many of other creators that I are subscribed to doing this kind of video, so I thought I would go through my palettes and do the same. Yeah, I'm really loving this color story. I really want to put this red all over my lid next time. Yeah, it's got Poison Apple, so I decided to do a red lip with it too, so I thought it was super cute. But yeah, that's all my picks for fall season. I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick, simple video. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.